Hello everyone, I'm Krishna from Licky Window System. Today I want to introduce our the newest product, which one is our parallel window system. It's all about the peak and how large we can make the parallel window system. So for your introduction, we just for here the make the sample, which one we make the height would be about 3.3 meter, and the width is about 2 meter and little above than 2 meter, and the glass which one we are used inside is insulated glass, is 10 plus 10 plus low E glass, and of course such a heavy pen is about little more than 300 kilo for the pen, so of course we cannot use by hand, so we try to use the electric opening system to open such a heavy panel. So this is all about the introduction. So let's see into details, see what is inside. Thank you guys. So another very good advantage of this product is a super big. You can make this product super big. So where you have no obstacles when you see from inside to outside. So there will be no so many frames, either vertical or horizontals for a big area. So if the outside view is quite good for your house or for your project or for your office, so it will be very useful to very good. It's quite convenient to use this such a system without losing your outside view. So in one word I can say, you bring your outside view inside your room or inside your office or inside your property, wherever you are staying inside, but still you have the ventilation and yes, durability, stability and everything, and have the appeal. So the opening would be, there is many different type of opening. So here we use for the remote along with the wall opening system. So here everyone, you can see this system is from GU, is from Germany. So here if you press this one, so it will be start opening. So we also at the same time we also have the remote here. So if you stop anywhere, it will be stop, or if you want to open, if you still continue to open, yeah, it will be open. So if anywhere you want to stop. If you want to close, yeah, it will be going down. So let's open to all. So go see. So I want to open everything. So this is though it's a parallel system, so it's all about the ventilation. So whole pan will be going out. So about in this system we can go up to 260 millimeter. So about, let's say about 250 from this portion to the end portion. So let's see this one how much we open. So this one we keep it to 220 because of the motor maybe. So this motor we can adjust to 240 or 260. In this system, so because this is super heavy, about 300 kilo, little more than 300 kilo actual weight for the pen, but that's why we use the super heavy hardware. So the hardware is, so for this system we use the hardware from GU, it's from Germany. So we use here for this window, so we use 1, 2, 3 and 4 for this side. Yeah, and from the other side also we use the same 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 plus 4, 8, and from ground 2 and the top 2. So about 10 super heavy parallel hinges we use for this system. And in ground also we use, you can see the chain. The motors are all hidden motors inside. So we use 2 motors in the ground, and the top also same 2 motors. So this is four motors are pushing or pulling for the whole system. So these motors also from GU, also from European motors. So motors having 400 Nm the motors capacity. So of course for for such a large window, so we use little high capacity motor to bring the system quite easily, or it will be quite stable for, let's say, for use for 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line. As we close this motor, so it's quite very easily to understand how this motor is all coming inside. The motors are all hidden here. So of course we can, when this process is going to fix in the project, so they have the decorative finished floor line from. You can put here or here or here anywhere. So if any motor later on any motor problem we need to be replaced or can be maintenance motor, so we just remove these things from inside. So there is another thing. So when the window is closed, you can see from frame and the sash will be on one side, one line. So if I open, so you can understand the sash is just running from here to out. This is quite. This is seams from here is very seam sash. It's about 25 mm to 30 mm width sash. So when go out, it will be. You can see very thin profile sash inside. And for this frame, of course, when it will be the project decoration, you can put the interior either marble, wood, or steel, or anything. Right? You can put up to here. That will be no problem. This system is thermally insulated system. We use 24 mm thermal insulation strips here between the two profiles. Also in the frame here, also in the sash. Of course, there is a thermally insulated profile. So this is this windows can be used for anywhere in this world. Any adverse climate is extremely cold or extremely hot, almost all type of weather. This window is perfectly. You can use this product with peace of mind. The frame, the same thing. The insulated strip is here in the sash. Like just little before I mentioned the frame and sash. This is the thermal insulated sash along with thermal insulated frame. So of course, you will be quite very good thermal insulation property you can get by using the like 3-layer loy or 3-layer glass with super good loy. I just want to express myself like why this system. Because this system, first, the benefit of this system is it will be open parallelly from all sides. So inside, when outside, then your room can be ventilated from 360 degree from all sides. Let's say from inside temperature, if inside is hot, outside is cold, then your ventilation can be done from all sides. Of course, you will have enough ventilation, like more than 100 mm. Ventilation from all sides, so it will be super good for the areas which were quite like a very big living room or very big space which one needs super ventilation. Another advantage of this product is because of you can see from all sides you will get the friction hinges, the parallel hinges. It is super heavy and super strong. If the weather's like very heavy typhoon or very heavy wind pressure, and where the wind load requirement is very high in certain areas of our world, so this product can be used this product can be met with all requirements and all standards set by the different all of our different authorities all over the world. So it will be confirmed. And for your information, we have tested this product according to the American standard, European standard, Australian standard, and also we have the NFRC for this product. So it will be quite easy and quite reliable to use all of your houses or projects or any of your facade requirement. Thank you very much for your attention and time. Thank you.